Good morning, everybody. So today I am presenting the explanation of some objective type questions. So the first problem is a class consists of 100 students with an average mark of 58. The average mark of boys and girls are respectively 55 and 60. What is the proportion of boys and girls in the class? So here there is two groups of observation. In a class, two groups, that means boys and girls. Suppose here there are N1 boys and N2 girls. The total number of observation is given that 100. Here we apply the formula for combined arithmetic mean. That is, x bar is equal to x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n. Here we apply the formula for the combined arithmetic mean. Capital X bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. So here there are a class. Here there is a class. In this class there are two groups. That is boys and girls. Boys and girls. Here there are N1 boys and N2 girls. So the combined arithmetic mean is the arithmetic mean of the total observation.
The only person in this conference.
N1 plus N2, total N1 plus N2 observations. So that means the combined mean of this observation is given that capital X bar is equal to 58. Is equal to 58. N1 and N2 are unknown. The number of boys and the number of girls are unknown. But total number of observations is 100. Total number of students is equal to 100. And also, the arithmetic mean of boys, that is x1 bar. That is x1 bar. That is equal to, x1 bar is equal to 60. And x2 bar is equal to, x1 bar is equal to not 60, x1 bar is equal to 55. And x2 bar is equal to 60. So that means x1 bar is the arithmetic mean of boys and x2 bar is the arithmetic mean of girls. Both are given. X1 and x1 bar and x2 bar are given. And also total number of students is equal to 100. Put these values in the formulae. Capital X bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. So that is capital X bar is equal to capital X bar, that is 58. That is 58 is equal to n1. N1 is unknown. N1 x1 bar. What is x1 bar? 55. x1 bar is equal to 55 plus n2 into x2 bar. What is x2 bar? 60. And the whole divided by n1 plus n2. n1 plus n2. So on cross multiplying this, that is n1 plus n2 to 58 is 58 n1 plus n2 into 58. That is n1 plus n2 into 58 is equal to n55. n1 into 55 means 55 into n1 plus n2 into 60 means 60 n2. 60 n2. Okay. So remove the bracket in the left hand side. That is 50 h n1 plus 50 h n2 is equal to 55 n1 plus 60 n2. 60 n2. Then transposing the like terms, that means 55 n1 can be taken the transpose in the left hand side. That is 58 on simplification. That is 58 n1 minus 55 n1 is equal to 60 n2 minus 58 n2. 8 n2. That is 3. That is 3 n1 is equal to 2 n2. That is n1 is equal to 2 by 3 n2. Okay. Also given that n1 plus n1 plus n2 is equal to 100. That is n1 is equal to 2 by 3 n2. That is 2 by 3. That is 2 by 3 n2 plus n2 is equal to 100. Okay. Then n2 can be taken outside. That is n2 into 2 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 100. That is n2 that is n2 into 5 by 3. 5 divided by 3. n2 into 5 divided by 3 is equal to 100. Therefore, n2 is equal to 3 into is equal to 3 into 100 divided by 5. That is 60. That is 60. That is number of girls is equal to 60. Therefore, number of girls n2 is equal to 40. Therefore, n2 is equal to 40. By n1 is equal to 60 and n2 is equal to 40. Then n1 is to n2 is equal to 60 is to 40. That is equal to 40. That is 3 is to 2. That is 2 is to 3. A is to B, that is, this is the answer. 2 is to 3 is the answer because A is to B is equal to B is to A. Yes, 2 is to 3. Okay, the second question. The standard deviation, second question, the standard deviation of -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 is. So standard deviation has a formula. Standard deviation is equal to standard deviation is equal to square root of 1 by n sigma x minus x bar the whole square. Here n is the number of observation. Here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. N is equal to 5. Here n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. Then x bar is equal to x bar is equal to sigma x by n. Sigma x by n. That is equal to sigma x means total of the observation. That is total 0. That is equal to 0. Therefore, x bar is equal to 0. X bar is equal to 0. The arithmetic mean is 0 because the total number of observation is 0. That is sigma x is equal to 0. The 0 by any quantity is 0. Therefore, x bar is equal to 0. Then the standard deviation is equal to the root of 1 by 5. Observation n is equal to 5 1 by 5 into sigma x square. X bar is equal to 0. Therefore, the formula becomes standard deviation is equal to square root of 1 by 5 into sigma x square. X minus x bar is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus x bar the whole square is equal to x square. So that is equal to square root of 1 by 5 to sigma x square means square ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഓരോ observation square ചെയ്ത് പോകും. Square ചെയ്ത് കൂട്ടുമ്പോൾ that is equal to square root of bracket നകത്ത് 1 by 5 into 1 plus it is 4 plus minus 2 in the square ആണ് plus 4 plus 1 minus 1 in the square plus 1 plus 1 in the square 1 plus അടുത്തത് 2 in the square that is 4. That is equal to square root of 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by that is equal to square root of 10. So next question. Next question. The median of 10, 2.9, minus 6.3, 8.1, and 2.4. So median of these observation is obtained by arrange the given observation into ascending order of magnitude. Then select the middlemost value. First of all, we arrange the given observation into ascending order of magnitude. So on ascending order of magnitude, we can arrange the observation. The first is minus 6.3, comma. Next one, next minus that is 2.9. Okay, 2.4. That is 2.4. Next 2.9. Next 8.1. Next 10. So these are the arrangement, ascending. This is the arrangement of ascending order of magnitude. Then take the middlemost value, that is 2.9. The middlemost value, this is the value. Therefore, median is equal to 2.9. Okay, this is the answer, 2.9. Next question. The mean of 10 observations were found to be 47. But later on verification, it was discovered that on observation 43 was wrongly entered as 34. What is the correct value of the mean? Okay. So here, mean of 10 observations were found to be 47. That means in the formula for calculating mean,
You are currently the only person in this conference.
x bar is equal to, so in the calculation, x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. Mean of 10 observation, that is n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. And x bar is equal to 47. Bar is equal to 47. So mean of the 10 observation is 47. But in the calculation of mean, there is an error creeps. That means in the sum total, arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. That means sum total of the observation divided by n. But in the sum total of the observation, there is an error happens. That is an observation wrongly entered. That is 43, the number 43 was wrongly entered as 34. That means in the calculation of total observation, that means sigma x, in the sigma x means the total of the observation. In the calculation of sigma x, there is a wrong number is
You are
taken,
currently the only person
that
in
is
this conference.
34. But actually the corrective value is 43. So in order to correcting the value, getting the corrective value of mean, we can subtract the value 34 from the sigma x and add 43. So that is, so from this relation, x bar is equal to 47. That is 47. 47 is equal to sigma x divided by n. N is equal to 10. That is sigma x is equal to 47 into 10, that is 470. So this is the total number of observations. But in this total, there is an error. That is a wrong number. 34 is added in the place of 43. So the correct sigma x, we can find the correct sigma x. The correct, that is the corrected sigma x is equal to, that is the corrected sigma x is equal to 470. That is 470 minus 34 plus 45. Okay, that means the total sigma x is corrected sigma x. That is corrected sigma x is equal to 470 minus 34 and plus 45. That means there is a correction. So that is equal to 470 plus 9. That is equal to 43. Okay. Sorry, here 43. Sorry, there is a correction. That is 43 minus 34 plus 43. That is equal to 470. That is 470. That is equal to 470 plus 9. That is equal to 479. This is the correct sum. From the total of the observation, 470, we subtract the false number 34 and add the correct number 43. Then we get 479. This is the total number of observation. On dividing 479 divided by the number of observation, we will get the correct mean. Therefore, the corrected mean is equal to the corrected mean is equal to 479 divided by 10. There is no change in the number of observations. That is by 10. That is equal to 47.9 is the correct mean. That is the answer. 47.9 is the correct answer.